Jing is one of the first tools I recommend for anyone who's trying to get started with e-learning. First of all, it's free, so you might as well try it if this video doesn't convince you that it's otherwise awesome. You'll see that Jing hides in the corner of your computer, and I love that because I can easily take it and go ahead and make my screencast or my screenshot just by clicking a button there. And it's got the little plus sign. We'll zoom in there so you can see that. That's how you'll get started with actually taking the capture. You can see your history, so recent captures, which is nice if you need to go back and reference something. And then it also has the settings where you can adjust your microphone, your account that you have it linked to, or close it out altogether. So let's say that you want to show a friend how to use canned responses in Gmail, which are awesome if you haven't used those. It's a lab in Google. But what you'll do to capture that image is start up Jing by selecting the plus sign, drag it to the corners, and then hit on the capture image button. That will then take your shot. From there, you can go ahead and annotate using boxes or call outs, arrows, whatever you need to do to make your point. Okay, so now here comes the options for what you can do with this once you're done. What I love about Jing is you can actually name the file. This is really helpful if you're making a PowerPoint or a manual and you've got about 10 or more screenshots you're taking and you need to remember which ones fall into a series. So you can name them there. From there, you can choose to save it to your desktop, copy it onto the clipboard. You can cancel it altogether, or you can share via Screencast.com. Let's start out by showing the copy tool. So immediately when I click on copy, it disappears and it's going to appear as the image itself. So that's kind of big for Gmail. Let me refit that. So then you've got your picture readily available that you can copy and paste into something. Let's say that you're working in a chat box. Maybe it's on Skype or you're G-chatting and you can't really send a picture through, or you don't want the person to have to download it. One of the alternatives is you can upload to Screencast.com. So I'm going to pull that image out of my history and I'm going to click on the upload to Screencast.com. Takes a moment, and once I get the confirmation that it's there, your hyperlink then becomes available in the copy paste function. So you'll see here if I press paste, my hyperlink becomes available and now I can share that with someone. If you want to test it out, you can go ahead and put that in your browser and you'll see there that we have our picture that we took. One of the other features I love about Jing is that it has the ability to create screencasts. A screencast is like a screenshot, but instead it's a video. So you have the option of creating an actual video of your screen, same way you would to take a picture, except you'll see a little film strip there where it says capture a video. From there, it gives you a countdown and you can record your video that you will then make available. You can choose whether you want to save this video or not, and it will save as a .swf file, or just like taking a picture, you have the option to upload it to Screencast.com. I hope you've enjoyed this overview of Jing, and you can find Jing as a free download on the TechSmith corporate website at techsmith.com/Jing.